If you are facing black screen issue with your Samsung A50 or A51, A52 or A30, A31, then you can try the steps that I'm going to show you in this video. First, if you're facing the black screen, now you can just do is you can just hold on your power button and the volume down button together, just like this. Let me hold it for a certain time, and you'll find this power off button. Don't release your finger yet until the screen goes black, and you can find the branding on your screen, and it will reboot quickly. So you can check if the problem is solved or not. If it's not solved, then you can try the same step with the charging plugged in from this Type-C port here. So let me turn on the phone. Now from here, if you want to if you can do these steps, but or if doesn't work, then you can do the same step with the charging plug here. You just need to plug your charger port here. You just need to plug it, and when the charging is on, if it not showed on your device, you can do the same step again. You can just hold on this two button and wait until the branding, the Samsung Galaxy as your model like on your screen, then that's when it is now rebooting as fast as you can. Then it will it can solve the black screen issue on your device. Then if this doesn't solve your issue, this black screen issue yet on your device, then you can do another step. You can just plug out your charging port. Then you can just do some steps that I'm going to show you in this video. You have to just touch on the every corner, every space on this screen. With mid force, you can just give this type of force, and you just need to touch all over the screen like this. You just need to touch like this, and then you can just go back and you can force it, hit it with a medium force at the back side from this, like this, from every corner and every inch. You just need to try this. Try it a little hard in the back side. Then you can just have the two finger, and you can just tap on the camera also, but make sure that you don't force too much. So after that, you can just do the same step. You can just hold on the power button and hold on this volume down button until the screen goes black, and you find the branding on the screen, or the black screen. Here it goes black, and then you'll find this branding. That's when you are just rebooted your phone device, just like this. And from here, you just need to wait until it turn on. Now the next step after turn on your phone, when your device is turned on, the next step is push on your phone display, just like this. Try to be a little hard on your device, this just like this. You can just make sure that you are massaging on your device display. Make it little hard, and you can go with the back shell also. Now back shell doesn't affect that much, but in this is much crucial. If you get black screen on your display, you can just massage it, just push on all over the surface of your display from every corner and every edge. After that, you can again do the same step. You just need to reboot your device. Then you will just need to confirm that if this problem is solved or not. If this problem persists, then you just need to do the last step, which is the like this. You just need to hit on your hand surface with medium force, not so much, not little, medium force, and you just need to hit from the both side, from the every surface, on the every surface, like this, and back side also. That's how. Then after you can just try to turn on. You can turn on and turn off. If you find the screen, then that's when your problem is solved. Congratulations. And if you can find it that your screen is not turning on, then you can do that again. You can just hold on these two buttons, volume down and power button, to reboot your device. Now you can try another one with the you can just repeat the step again with this charger plugged in, and then you can just reboot your device again. Then you just need to make sure that if this problem solved or not. Then after that, make sure that your phone is in minimal heat. The temperature is minimal. If you find that your phone is on a high temperature, or the heat, it is producing much more heat, then you just need to cool down it with any type of fans, or you can use your refrigerator. It's funny, I know it may funny to you, but it is actually workful. It is actually helpful. If your phone is overheated, then you can just put your phone on the fridge, and after cool down, after 5 minutes, you just need to take this phone from the fridge, and you can just try it or reboot it again with the same process. And yeah, it is the problem, that the solutions that you can follow to solve this black screen issue on your device. But if this problem persists, then you may need to go to visit a technician that can help you to solve this problem, or maybe your display is totally destroyed or damaged, so you just need to change your display of your device. So hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.